Alright, so I'm going to start off with S&M Perfect 10 handlebars. I like them a lot, big as they go. And then I have a Colt Salvation stem. I got a Primo binary peg. It's really light, small though. I got a Fit FAF tire. I got Miraco stock forks. They suck, but can't afford forks. And, oh yeah, and then I have a Miraco veil frame. And then I got Black Label plastic, got it in clear. I have stock cranks. I have a Colt OS, got it in raw. Then I got a Shadow chain, really good, holds up really nice, really tight. And then I got a Shadow PC seat. Hurts, but it was really cheap. And then I have a United Ultra Stomp post. I like it a lot. And then I got back here, I have a Demolition Momentum tire with a Primo hub guard, got on the right side. And then I have a Odyssey J lighter peg. I like it a lot, it slides really good. And my bike weighs approximately 26 pounds. Alright, that's my lecture. I didn't talk about my brakes, but my brakes suck.